Hey, this is Harmon with Drain Beast Plumbing and Septic. We got a phone call from one of our customers saying, why do I have sewer gases in my house? I'm going to cover basically a couple points why we got sewer gases in our house. One of the main topics is your P-trap, right? Your P-trap is supposed to block any gases from coming inside of the plumbing vents, right? So when your P-trap gets dried up, the gases are going to go straight into your house. That's one of the issues. Not using your plumbing fixtures, right? If you're not using your plumbing fixtures, it's going to get dried up. Again, you're going to get the sewer gases coming in. If someone's not using the downstairs bathroom or something, right? Or someone's not using the shower, your vent is going to dry up. Another common issue is the P-trap is just cracked. It's cracked, it leaks out, and then it has to fill back up, and then that causes, gases to come back in. Another issue is, which isn't that common, your P-trap actually, it's non-existent. There's nothing there. Someone forgot to put it in, or it's just not there. Another issue is vents, right? That's another reason why we can get sewer gases into our house. The vents are not properly venting out. Main issues that can arise is during the fall, right? A lot of leaves stack up on the vents. Now there's no way for the sewer gases to escape, and they're just going to go straight into your house. Snow is an issue too. Sometimes it freezes over, your vent could be cracked, or you don't have a vent. For some older houses, we've seen that before. Another issue that we come across is your toilet gaskets, right? The gaskets in your toilets they're just done. They need to be replaced. If they don't get replaced on time, that seal, right? It's gonna move. And if you know gases, they're gonna find that little small spot and they're gonna escape from there. Another issue is if you're on septic, right? And your septic system is not constantly flowing out, you're gonna get that same issue where, hey, it's not venting out and it's gonna come straight from your house. But yeah, that's one of the main questions that we get from our customers, why we have sewer gases in our house. If you guys have any sewer issues in your guys' house, make sure to give Drain Beast a call. We're happy to help you guys.